Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just wanted to go over a new tractor that I just purchased a couple days ago. This is a 1985 John Deere 318, as you can see, and it also has a Model 44 loader on it. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. It has just under 1,500 hours on it, so it's not a low hour tractor by any means, but it's been fairly well kept. Rear tires are fluid filled. It also has some sort of aftermarket weights on them. If I had to guess, I'd say they're probably about 70 or 75 pounds a piece. Front tires are solid rubber. I haven't really seen those before, but they're made by Carlisle. Pretty good shape. The loader itself is in pretty good shape. There's no surface rust on it where the bucket is, but other than that, it's nice, no leaks. I bought this to do some work here around the house with moving some dirt and gravel. Before I do that though, I have some maintenance to catch up on. Yesterday I changed the oil. I want to change the transaxle fluid and the hydraulic fluid in the loader also. Also has a 3-point hitch. Alright, let's fire it up and get out of the shed here and have a closer look. Alright, so that's about it for today. Stay tuned for future videos. I'll be doing different maintenance on this tractor and putting it to work. Thanks for watching.